stuff for my music. So,
Yeah, but we're not really, I'm not naman like super up there.
Yeah.
Average lang.
Okay, so how about when it comes to sports? What's your sport ba? How about you, I say,
we
what's
both
your
have, wala kaming sports both.
We actually stopped high school.
Really?
Yeah, high school we stopped. So, siya, he's a fitness nut.
So
So,
ako na lang, yung pinaka-exercise ko is going to the gym.
for
How
sure,
about
mas fit siya.
basketball, badminton,
We're not,
tennis,
we're
no?
not into basketball. We're not into basketball.
That's a revelation. Okay. How about when it comes to money? That is handling money, budgeting, stuff. Who is good?
Si Andre.
So, what does it mean? You're magastos? Or hindi
Um,
naman?
I don't know, for some reason lagi siya may pera pambili ng stuff niya. Ako lagi nilang parang sometimes I can ask money from him. He can ask for money. Nagbibili
Yeah,
niya
pero ako, my problem is when I save naman, I end up spending it on other things.
But at least you're safe.
Yeah, I try. I try.
Next, when it comes to convincing your parents, who is better? Like, mommy, daddy, please buy me that. Or,
Funny dyan,
allow me.
lagi ako yung inuutusan nila to talk to our parents.
Andre.
Kasi mas makapal face ko sa parents. Pati yung sister niya, ako yung inuutusan.
Gusto kami siya, hey, can you tell them, labas tayo? Let's go shopping.
It's him.
Kaya siya yung taga-sabi.
Okay, siya pala.
Nahihiya sila.
And last but not the least, how about when it comes to girls? Who is better?
Better in what?
I think same.
Yeah,
I think the same.
Same.
Because we're both into, like looking for that one person that you will hold on to.
yeah,
Yeah,
we're
that's
both
it.
into that.
we're one girl guy type.
Instead of going for a lot of girls, we don't.
So now girls,
That's
you know
bad.
that.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for that. Thank you for being honest and being a sport. Now
Yeah.
let's hear this guy sing again. Another cover, somebody that I used to know, and an original Liam Malaya song.